Hey everyone! Check out the BOJUE 52-inch white ceiling fan with integrated lights and a remote control. This stylish fixture features a quiet, reversible DC motor with 6 speed settings to suit your comfort. It runs whisper quiet at under 20 decibels and includes a convenient timer function. The tricolor light source brightens your space effortlessly, while the low-profile design works great on standard or sloped ceilings. Installation is simple with the included down rods, helping you save on professional costs. Plus, you get a 10-year motor warranty and fantastic customer support. Upgrade your home today and enjoy a cool breeze all year long. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.